2003 SL500. We're going to get the power window switch fixed. Switch that out. First step, get these screws out. T15. There's one way down here. Okay, that panel's off now. Clockwise, pull out. Inside there is a screw. It's plastic trim removal tool. WIS instructions say to remove this bracket. There's 2 screws. Their torque's 20. Bracket pops off. Okay, so once this bracket is off, there's one little 10 Torx right here. Remove that one as well. So it's a total of 3 screws. One was there, and the last one is here. So I've already loosened this one. Just gonna take it out. Small screw. Okay, so once the bracket is off, we're supposed to remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, and under the wire here, 3. I'll zoom out so you can see where they're at. Okay. Okay, that's 3 screws up. Okay, and now we should be able to pull out the handle with power switch. It's still connected, so we're just going to pull away here. And there's the handle away. Here's the handle and switch inside. Okay, it's still hanging on by this wire. And the new unit comes with a new wire. So it doesn't clip in on this side, it's wired in. So we're just gonna remove this wire so that we can get this switch out and get a better look at it. So this wire goes through here, and it's got a little zip tie here we're gonna cut, and a zip tie here that we're gonna cut. And this is it here. So 2 zip ties. We're just going to get those cut and get this wire free, and we'll have the switch in front of us in the door handle. We can work on getting those 2 little retaining clips out. Okay, we've cut the zip ties, and now we're just pulling this wire out. And now we've got the handle released, and we can work with this. Okay, now we've got the handle off. See the wires attached on the inside. So the new one comes with its own wire. Here's our new replacement switch. It's got its own wire. Next, we got to get it out of this handle. There's 2 retaining clips There's one of them on that side, and there's the other one on this side. So we're just going to get some needle nose pliers and yank these out. There's one. There's the other one. And we can just lift this out. Okay, so now we can just lift this out. There's two clips on the side, so it's still a little challenging to get out, but you're just going to pull it out. See this clip here and this clip here? You got to get it out from here and here, so not a lot of room in there. Just pull it out. You can break this one. It's no good anymore. And now we're going to feed our new wire through. A new switch in place. We're going to put the retaining clips back. See, there's an orientation on these. A little bit of a spring on this side, and that goes down. So we put this in, goes facing down, and it just slips into place. Same on the other side. And that should do it. New switch is in. We're going to install this handle back, zip tie this wire back in place. And this just goes through here to the bottom portion. Just sits nice and flush, and then you're going to put the screws back in. The first screw I'm going to put back is this little T10. Holds the handle in place. I'm going to put this bracket back. It goes into a little slot here. And there's two little keyed plastic grooves, so you can't really get it in the wrong place. The longer screws go into the bracket. The difference in length between the long screw and the short screw. The three short screws are going to go back where the handle goes up a little higher. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I flipped the door around and we're just going to put the last three screws in here. Okay, now we're just going to zip tie these wires back where they were so they don't get in the way of things. And let's test the switch out. That works.